What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video, Zed Monopoly. Guys, it is that time of the month where I give you those top penny stocks to watch out for. So we're going to do three things in this video, guys. First of all, we're going to go through the reason why I'm giving you those penny stocks. And number two, we're going to go through last month's picks because I do this every month. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss the next video that I drop. We're going to go through last month's picks and see how they performed, because what I do in these videos is give you the exact day when these penny stocks will spike in value significantly by 50% to 100%. You might not think it's true, but wait for the explanation and wait to look at the rest of my videos to understand why I'm giving you those penny stocks and how I can tell you that these stocks will spike by 50 to 100% on the exact day that I'm giving you, right? So smash that subscribe button and smash that like button before we get in, because we've been doing this for a year and I need to know that you want more videos like these. So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the actual penny stocks to watch out for April and May. So the rest of this month and May, right? So I'm going to give you those penny stocks to watch out for. So the reason why I've given you these penny stocks, or I'm going to give you these penny stocks. Now, most of you have been introduced to a new way of doing things, a whole new world of investing and trading on this channel, which is trading penny stocks and biotech penny stocks. Most of you know biotech penny stocks at this stage have to release drugs and products and have to test drugs and products because they are deep in losses, they have no revenue, and they're just crap, right? So they have to, the whole purpose of these penny stocks at the moment is to get FDA approved on a drug, i.e. a medicine. Before getting FDA approved on a medicine, they have to show investors that this medicine actually works, right? So they have to come out with tests and results to show investors that this medicine works, right? So the result of that test and that product will influence investors to jump into the stock or get out from the stock. If that test comes out positive, the stock will spike in value. If that test comes out negative, the stock will drop in value, right? So, similarly when getting FDA approved, because these tests result to FDA approval. If the FDA comes out and FDA's and approves that drug, i.e. gives them the positive, basically a heads up, i.e. you're going to go ahead and develop that drug because your drug is actually treating patients, that stock will spike in value because it's given hype, it's given confidence to investors. Now the company is actually performing and, you know, I guess coming out with a new drug. So therefore they're going to have a new drug and a new product and a new revenue and profits, and they're going to become a high cap stock instead of a penny stock, right? If they get rejected, the stock will drop in value, it will collapse, just like we've seen with many stocks. So now that you know the explanation, why am I giving you the exact day? Well, we know the exact day when the result will come out, right? Either the FDA result, i.e. will they get FDA approved or not, or the test. Will this data come out positive or negative, i.e. will this medicine that they're testing come out with good data, i.e. they're curing patients, or negative data, i.e. they're not. So, if it's good, stock spikes. If it's bad, stock collapses, right? Now, let's go through last month's penny stock picks. Last month's penny stock picks, guys, one of those first penny stock that I gave you for March was PHAS. Now, if we look at that stock, it's up 300% since I gave you that penny stock last month. 300%. The reason is simple. Have a look at why it spiked in value. I guarantee you one thing, it's because exactly what I just said here. By the way, we know the exact date, which is what I'm about to give you for the future. TROV is another stock. Now, TROV, guys, has spiked by 30%. If you look at that, 30%, very good for a stock to spike in a few days. Actually, one day. Now, that's what we look for in these penny stocks. Huge spikes, 50% to 100%, or regarding PPTH, 1000% and plus, right? So these stocks will go for the moon because these penny stocks have huge potential. Now, let's go through last month, or let's go through, now that we know these are last month's, guys, and last month picks, let's go through this month's picks for the rest of April and May. And just remember, guys, stick around till the end because I have a lot to say. So the first penny stock is NVAX. That's April 16th. ALT, April 16th also. I'm not going to go through any fundamentals because these penny stocks are deep in losses and they don't deserve to go through any fundamentals, right? Deep in losses. ALT, April 16th. CNCE, April 25th. Remember, the only reason why these penny stocks spike is because of FDA approvals, partnerships, and basically the confidence that investors get of this drug coming out and being on the market that they're developing. CNC, April 25th. BTX, April 30th. ALDX, May 1st. EYEN, between the 3rd and the 7th of May. CYTK, May 5th. By the way, don't worry about these. They will always be in the description for you guys, if I remember. PGNX, May 6th. ACHN, May 17th. PIRS, May 22nd. ASLN, May 8th. AP, May 9th. Right? Now, many of these stocks, 50% and 60% will actually go through what I just told you. The rest might have a delay in results and they might not spike on the day that I give you. But the majority will. So have a look at last month's picks and see how they performed. Or just look at BPTH and see how it spiked from 1,000 or from $2 to 36 or $70, 1,800% in a single week. The reason? Well, they came out with somewhat of news that the cancer drug they're developing is about to come out with, is about to cure diseases or that disease itself. So, hype, right? So, you can't bet before the dates that I'm giving you. Because if you buy these penny stocks, that is a risk you're willing to take. You're saying to yourself, you know what's about to happen to these penny stocks, so you can't. So sometimes you might come out late to invest in these penny stocks. So you can actually buy before. But you have to do your analysis. You have to watch my videos, the rest of my penny stock videos. Plenty of tutorials, guys, so make sure to have a look. I spend a lot of time making such videos. So actually, if you click on my channel, the first video you will get, it will go through the whole process of how I pick these stocks, how I analyze them. The first video on my channel. So make sure to click my channel, guys. And while you're doing it, smash that red button. Before you leave this video, smash that like button, right? Now, that is a way that you can, I guess, profit from penny stocks at this stage. And if you miss the spikes, i.e. if you're late to missing the spike, get ready to short. Because if we look at many stocks or many penny stocks, after they spike, they pull back. You have to really learn how to trade these penny stocks in the long term, guys, if you really want to be consistent and profitable. So, look at my tutorials, and there is a course in the description for that as well. But first, practice, look at my tutorials, guys, and have fun trading, because I'd like these penny stocks. I know the exact day when these penny stocks will spike in value. So that's why I like these penny stocks, and that's why I like trading these penny stocks. It's because I can predict them. And how do we know what day they will spike in value? Well, if you look at my tutorials, or if you look in the description, actually, I will leave a tutorial of how I pick these penny stocks and how I can find them personally. So now you know for the future, you don't have to come to my videos. You have a new way of trading, which is finding the exact day for these penny stocks. But it's not as easy as it might sound, guys. It is easy in a way, but over time, you need to understand how things are working here. It's not just, I give you a penny stock and you invest in it and buy it. Right? It doesn't work like that. Because we don't invest in penny stocks on this channel. We only trade penny stocks. There's two different things between investing and trading. But we trade hype, right, and fear when it comes to penny stock. Hype and fear. The fear of holding a penny stock. That's why many penny stocks will pull back in value. And the hype is simple. Many penny stocks will give news to investors, and that good news usually influences money flow into the stock, and therefore the stock spikes in value. And that's why I trade hype and fear. See you again for more videos, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Smash that like, smash that subscribe if you made it this far. I need to know if you guys want more videos like these. Peace and love just like always, and I'll see you again for more videos.